Look at the camera. Okay. Yeah, what's going on? It's your boy TheCoye. If you don't know how to say it, you know how to spell it, and I'm your daily ghostwriter. Today, let's tackle the question of finding something to write about. What I like about songwriting the most is the fact that it starts off as like a blank canvas with no purpose. And we as songwriters are given the opportunity to give something purpose. A song. What the hell? For me personally, what I like about songwriting is the fact that it's a blank canvas. We as songwriters are able to paint whatever it is that we want to. We give a song purpose. For example, you can tell somebody how you felt in any given situation. You can tell people about past or present situations that are going on. You can even tell people about the future and future endeavors you wish to accomplish. The same way a painter is not limited to their canvas, what they can paint on it. In the same way an author can make a world with no limit is the same way a songwriter can write a song with no limits. So to answer your question, as a songwriter, you're able to write about anything and everything, which is kind of the problem, because with all that space and freedom, it may discourage people to start. So allow me to discuss with you guys really quickly some things that you can write about, some common and some uncommon. Let's say you got let go from your job today. I hope you didn't, but let's say you did. Write a song about it. You see a girl and you're too afraid to go and talk to her for whatever reason, but you're too afraid to go talk to her. Write a song about it. You got into an argument with your mom, your brother, your sister, your auntie, your uncle, whoever. Write a song about it. You're an entrepreneur and you want to write a song for your business or whatever. Do it. Go for it. Even if it's something as simple as not liking Mondays, because Lord knows that we don't mess with Mondays. We don't do it. We don't like Mondays, because we don't like Mondays. I'm 99% sure you can find somebody who will relate to that. Guaranteed. Your boy included. But write about it. If you don't like Mondays, write about it. You'll be surprised. You'll be surprised. The more things that you choose to write about and the more open grasp you have on that concept is the more you'll realize that you are the only person that can limit you. So for myself, I like to write pop sounding love songs. That's my lane, and I usually don't go outside of that unless I'm trying to challenge myself. As a beginner, I would say, find that concept that you want to work with. An easy suggestion that I give to people is listen to your music. Go to your favorite playlist, figure out what genre it's most common. What are people talking about? Why does it resonate with you? I call this your vibe. What is it that you're receiving from this music and why do you like it so much? It may leave hints to figure out a concept that you can choose. I would also advise songwriters to, especially in the beginning, is to write, once you get a concept, to write multiple versions of that song. So what I mean by that is when you have that concept solidified and you... Damn, I don't know if y'all heard that. That's wild. Let me backtrack. I would also advise you guys to write multiple versions of a Damn. What's going on? Once you do decide on a concept, I would advise also to write multiple songs with that concept. And what I mean by that is, in the beginning, it may be hard to translate your ideas directly into a song, especially as a beginner songwriter. And so I always suggest when you have an instrumental or when you have music, try to write multiple versions with, small changes here and there. Basically, any ideas that come to mind and that you can fit in that song, go for it. And even if you don't have music, that's completely fine. Whether you're humming it or you're creating the music as you go and you have just the lyrics right now, try just changing lyrics here and there, and anything that comes to mind, just try writing it down and keeping those different versions. Because for me, I'll tell you a little story. I ended up writing a song, and I ended up stashing it because I didn't like it. I didn't like it very much. Long story short, found it a couple months down the road, and the second time hearing it, I realized where the potential was. I ended up changing solo lines here and there, recorded a new demo, and it turned out like a gazillion times better. So I say all that to say this: once you have that concept, don't give up on it so easily. You know, if you do have to walk away from it for a little bit and come back to it, that is completely fine as a songwriter. You chose that idea for a reason, so stick with it. And even if you do have to go back to the drawing board and find a new concept for a song that you're writing, know that it is okay, because at the end of the day, it's only going to make you a better songwriter. And so with that, that's all I have for you guys today. It's your boy THECORE. If you don't know how to say it, you know how to spell it, and I'm your daily ghostwriter.